I think that was the end of it. I was too late with my camera. Oh dear. Oh, that's hurting. It's deep for my stomach. I was just watching television actually, and watching the story about Princess Diana. Was it tragedy or treason? And I got the urge to sneeze, so I could put the television on pause. Well, today's Sunday. No. Yeah, it's Sunday the 26th of November. And I'm really happy that November's nearly over, because I don't like November. It's very grey and wet and dark. See, I'm talking, I've stopped sneezing. Anyway, just a few weeks and the days start getting longer again. Bring on the spring. Love you all, folks. Bye.